You can connect your Canon PIXMA TS706 printer to your computer or device using a USB cable. Alternatively, you can set up the printer with Wi-Fi. This means that you can print your photos and artwork over the network from your computers, tablets and smartphones cable-free. Using a USB connection, the printer is connected directly, one-on-one to the computer through an A to B USB printer cable that looks like this. You can buy these online or from any office or electronics retailer. We recommend that you choose a cable length of about 2 meters to keep things nice and tidy, but you can use cables up to 5 meters in length. To use the USB cable, first install the printer's application software on your computer. The quickest way to do this is to access the Canon website at canon.com.au. On the navigation bar, click Support and then select Support, Drivers and Downloads. Enter the model number of your printer in the search box and follow the prompts to download the software package. Most browsers will automatically download the software DMG package to the Downloads folder. Find the downloaded file on your computer and open it. This will take you to a setup wizard. Click the appropriate button, in this case, Start Setup, and follow the prompts as you go. Typically, you'll need to select your region and agree to a license and user agreement. Following on from that, you'll be asked to choose your connection type. Here, choose the USB connection option and continue through the setup wizard until it asks you to turn on the printer and plug in the USB cable. With these initial steps completed, you'll be guided through the remainder of the setup tasks. These include adding your printer to your computer, which is where you can give your printer a custom name, and performing a test print to make sure the printer is working, and installing the optional bundled software. Now that you're connected, you can start enjoying your Canon printer.